Hello everyone and welcome to another vacuum cleaner demonstration. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Dyson V8 Animal Extra corded vacuum cleaner. Now this is one that's actually discontinued. You cannot buy it in the shops anymore, but I found this one just because it was around at my neighbour's house. So I thought I might as well review it. So let's get into it. So let's get vacuuming. So I'm going to have it on the maximum suction for this because I want the best cleaning performance as possible. So let's see how it goes. Well, that is actually quite impressive. I thought that they were going to do a lot worse than that, but it turns out to be really good. Now, let's do a bit of the living room carpet, see how that performs. I think it might be a good idea to use it on the high suction because it'll be quite easier to push that way. So let's give that a go. Well, I think that is actually quite good, despite this vacuum cleaner being discontinued, this one. And now I'm going to do that little bit of dirt there.
Oh, don't do my feet.
I never do. Well, as you can see,
Can I see it? Can I see?
That is absolutely spotless. So now let's move into the kitchen.
Alex,
and we'll see how it
just
performs
over
on there. So now I've moved into the kitchen, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of the dirt that it's got in here. So I'm only just going to do that bit there. So let's see how the Dyson performs on this hard floor. Well, as you can see, that there's no trace of the dirt left. That is very, very good. And I have seen the Dyson V11 micro vacuum and also a few others. So I'll just continue vacuuming this floor until it's nice and until it's absolutely 100% vacuumed. There's no trace of any dirt left. Now I'm going to do this entrance mat, because that could do with a vacuum, so let's get that done. Well, that concludes my my video of this Dyson V8 Animal Extra Vacuum Cleaner. Hope you've enjoyed it, and until next time, see you again very soon. Bye for now.